Alright guys, let me welcome you warmly and take you through another helmet unpacking, unboxing. So today I have another great LS2 helmet. Let me take it out before I take you guys on the road with it. And obviously, as to recommend, I've got this nice, very good merch product. Don't ride, fly guys. So if you're interested in high quality garments and obviously tees, here you go, you can get it from our channel. All right, let's get to it. And here we are. Very cool, very cool helmet. As you can see, that's it. All right, on the side of the box, matte black red LS2 MX436 Pioneer Evo Adventure. All right, so this helmet should be pretty cool and light. So let's unpack it quickly. Always like doing that. Helmets are neatly packed, always. And here we have always a head. So let's go, guys. Very cool. Packing of this bag is lovely. It's got like very nice bright colors. So here's some accessories, obviously, with some stickers if you ride after dark. And let's open it up nice and quick. Okay, can't wait to see it. All right. This should be a cool, great helmet. Oh yeah. I think this looks really, really, really good. Check it out, guys. It's light, it's nice and lovely. Need to take the sticker off and let's go for a ride. Okay. Very cool. Let's put it on. Oh yeah, this is great. Alright guys, not only am I testing this new helmet, but I'm looking for a nice camping spot. Alright. I have found a perfect camping spot by a lake. I'm here to go with this new helmet I've tested, and I'm really impressed by it. So this is LS2 MX436, and I can't say anything bad about this helmet. It's not loud, it's nice and silent. What else? The visor is really great because you can see, you have a panoramic view of the road. This sun protector is actually very good. You can bend your head and protect yourself against the sun. It's very light and lovely. It only weighs 1.4 kilograms plus 50 grams, so it's also got a nice sun visor inside, so 2 double visors. It's a really great touring helmet. So I'm here with the small Scrambler today, and you can see I found my way into a nice camping spot where I can either do some barbecue or camp for the night if I wanted to. So pretty cool. You can see. Alright, it's not very far from the road, so an excellent spot. Alright guys, so I found a really great spot. Let me just show you the helmet up close. Not only is it light, it's panoramic, it's silent while riding, but it's also looking very good, and the pricing is very good as well. So if I were to recommend a nice touring helmet for you, this would be it, definitely. So this is a wonderful spot, guys, for some camping. You can see a forest and the dam. Nice clear water. The day is not too hot today, so I think we need to start a bonfire and then obviously have some food before setting up camp. So I hope you liked the trip today. I'm gonna keep you posted, and obviously I will see you guys next time.